But what about, the symphony orchestra in your city? Do you have any of the professional musicians as clients? How many of you have university professors as clients? How many of you have rocket scientists as clients? How many of you have doctors, lawyers, and accountants as clients? How many of you have attracted the rest of society to your shop, right? Based on what do they see? Where do you think these people go with their cars? Do they care about knowing how to fix a car? No, they just care about convenience, right? Removing their headaches. So here's what I'm talking about. I'm not a rocket scientist, okay? So let's not go down that path. But I am a business professional who works in an office. It happens to be my home office in this case. And I would love nothing better than to be able to have somebody pick up my truck, service it, send me estimates, email, text. I can do that in between sessions, my coaching sessions, stuff like that. Reply back, pay the bill, and then have it delivered, washed and cleaned in my driveway. I would be worth. Now, would I pay a separate fee for that? Maybe. A cab ride from the shop, I'm that far away, a cab ride is $45 one way,
yep.
Right? So maybe you add $30 to my bill, or maybe your brake jobs are $50 more than everybody else's brake jobs, but you do that, right?